All right, so I'm super annoyed for two reasons. One, I made to watch this video tonight and then went to upload it like an hour later, which was just a little bit ago, and realized I had the freaking mic off, I guess, because it had no sound. So I'm having to remake that, and I lost internet this afternoon again, but this was a local outage, not my personal modem, but mine's been sketchy, maybe because of the hurricane, maybe it's the local area, but man, it's an act of God. If you want to talk to an actual human at Comcast, uh, you need king's blood, you need virgin blood. You got to boil them together in a pot. Then you got to drink it and then click your heels 3 times. And still, I've done all that, by the way, and still have not got a person with Comcast. So I'm a little bit frustrated. Anyway, so I'm having to make the video over. So you're going to get the shorthand version now because it's getting late for everything I've still got to do tonight. All right, so anyway, I'm going to go right into it. Real quick, SPY maybe bumped its head on the falling 20-day, maybe starting to roll over. We'll see. As I always say, I don't make any money predicting what the SPY is going to do, but it's still interesting to see how it's acting, right? Anyway, so here you go. PEGY ended up closing really strong, so I do want to keep an eye on it. INDO is just a low float oil play. If oil keeps getting strength, I want to watch that one. GGE had a big move today. RELL, big breakout today. We're going to watch that one maybe for a follow through. MAPS, kind of the same thing. Strong day, strong close. A couple pot stocks on watch. Tilray is one of them. And I guess news came out this afternoon that Biden is going to pardon everyone who's ever smoked pot or something along those lines, mostly because an election's coming. So I'm going to watch Tilray. I was going to tell you guys, I actually had a bid in for TLRY for a pullback when I lost internet for the day. So I had to go onto my app and see if the bid got filled, which it did, and then I just hit out immediately. I made like 20 cents. If I'd have just maintained my composure and not worried about the, trading from my phone, I should have held it because it went up much more. It went up, I don't know, to almost 450 in after hours. So I wasn't really thinking. I panicked and hit out for what could have been a really nice trade. But anyway, so I want to watch that one. Another pot stock, GRWG, is a lot lower float than Tilray. So we're going to watch those two. ATXI had a huge move back here from like 3 to almost 17, then straight off a cliff. I'm just going to put it on bounce watch again. It didn't give a setup today. Maybe it gives one tomorrow. Just for a bounce, not a pretty chart. And then NVIV got a big pop late in the day. And then in after hours, I think it went out at 10:40. So that one's certainly worth watching as well. All right, like I said, short and sweet tonight, and I'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning.